Welcome to Best RV Center. I am Nala Marty from Best RV in Turlock, California. What is behind me is the 20th anniversary. It's a brand new 2025 Bighorn 20th anniversary 331 Auto. It's a 33-foot rear living, triple slide, but it's super fancy. It is full body paint, so you see all this black paints with the white, so it's a full body paint. It's not a decals. It's a high profile square window. So first thing I want you to emphasize the front cap. You can see it's a beautiful, nice fiberglass cap, painted with a nice big LED light. We have the Curse Hilux with the springs for springs and shock. So you have smoother ride in your camping box and the unit. This unit comes also with a 2000 watt inverter. It's right here, 2000 watt inverter and 220 solar panel and hydraulic system. Very roomy, so you have access to the upper storage, and we go inside. It has the auto leveling outside. As you see, it's easy to get in, and it's a prep for 5.5 on an LP generators. It has all the cut on the wiring, so it's ready to have the generator if you decide. Now, by looking on the side, that's what is sell the unit, is the paint job, the scheme of the paints, the big window, the frameless, the two power awning, the LED lights. It's amazing. I mean, look, the look. This is paint. This is not a paper, not a decals. Two power awning, LED lights. Coming over here, you could see the nice frameless window, two floodlight in the rear, leopard components for expandable ladder, a rear camera, class 3 hitch. It's beautiful, it's amazing. 50 amp cord come with it. Spare tires underneath. This is the gold 20th anniversary. And coming over here, we have the endless hot water heater. There's the valve of the tank. One docking stations where you could do all the waters, hoses, and all this. Look how big the mega storage. And again, you just raise it up, huge. I mean, I could sit inside if I want to. And then two propane tank, one on each side. The nice thing, I want to take you inside to see the value, to see the construction, to see the high-end Bighorn they did. The 20th anniversary is completely a big renovations for Bighorn. 33-1 auto, dual axle, 6-point auto leveling, bigger axle, and angle fiberglass. You need to come in person to see this high-end, very contemporary, modern fifth wheel. It's 33 feet rear living, so as you see, it has the nice big view window. But what I really like, look, this wood they did with the LED light underneath it, and cover and these nice shelf, big storage in the top, height of it sofa. Even the side tables, they're solid service. Most other brands is wood. This is solid service, one from plug. And then here's you have a beautiful, I love the fancy schmancy look. This is recline electric. Again, you have to be massage electric, cell phone charger. These are recliners, both of them here. And then facing the recliners, you have a big 65-inch smart TV, nice Mintel, 60-inch fireplace, hidden pantry with shelf. Look how big it is. Huge. I could put a person inside. It's amazing, a lot of storage. And then when it comes to the kitchens, this is solid wood, folks. It's not a paper. This is solid wood. I love this one. I wish I had this on the wall in my kitchens. So you have the beautiful kitchen island with the, the poppet socket, all the two USB plugs, one 10 plug, and you just push it down. And then all these doors, you open them, you install it, the magnets. There's a place here for more room, and there's your trash can. Here's a cutting board, solid. You get all the stuff down, and it's amazing. It's very. I just love the color. I mean, it's like very Beverly Hills or Dubai. Like, look at the sink. Oh my God! It's like a brass. It looks like a brass high-end sink. Even come with the drains. People, they can say, oh, I don't want to see that, but look, I want to show you. It's really nice copper, look like a copper sink. Very modern country. One-piece sink. Solid service countertop. Across from it, you have 30-inch microwave. All solid wood. This is not a paper. This is not a paper wrap. This is solid wood. Big for burner range. Big oven. I could put a turkey. Voila. Look. And it's air fryer too. And more storage. More pantry. And I love that gold backsplash. Nice prep area. Solid on the right side. On the left side of the stove. Now, when customer come here to ask me, what's this here on the wood? This is called stress wood. They make it in the purpose to show you it's a solid stress wood, and that's how is the design. Coming over here, we have 4-door refrigerator, 2 for the fridge, ice maker, it's right there. So 2 freezer, 2 fridge, and 1 for ice maker. And again, the beautiful about this fridge is 12 volt. You don't need pantries? Voila. You need more than this? So you need more than this? For shelf, lights, and lip. And then I call this is the bar. Why? Because it has a place for the bottles, place for the glasses. You could put your mixer here, 110, coffee maker, toaster, whatever you want to do with this closet. So this is a beautiful bars come with it. If you're not in drinking and bars, you put a coffee maker, a toaster, and utilize this for storage. And then we have a nice door here and gray stone coffee maker. So this unit, the coffee makers come with it, and it go right there. So the coffee maker come with it. Oh my God! I mean, I don't know. I think it'll come with a coffee maker except the Bighorn. Yeah. This works 2 ways. I could use it as a dinette, just sit on it, serve me food. I eat, I enjoy the nice power awning, I enjoy the view. Or I could use it as an office, shelves, I could put my laptop. Or I could use it as more dinette, and this is very slim. Slide it, you twist it, you open this, and you twist it. And then you decide what position you want it. You want it in the center. You lock it. You put the chair here. The chair. You slide it in the middle, and now you have a nice dinette view on the wife you could enjoy. And more counter space. You could use this. So this table, I could use it same as a dinette or as an office. So whatever. And it's very easy to put back. All I do is just spin it like this. Right? Okay. I spin it, and then I push it back. And then I latch it there. So easy, and unlock it. So as I said, this particular unit, I use it as an office, or I use it as a bedroom. Now, one thing you need to realize on the Bighorn is a bigger door, big island. You see this, how easy? Now, in the controllers, this is the solar, this is all the lightings, inverters, but the system is all touch screen, so I could control my lighting, monitor panel, awning, generators. All this one I could do it by touch screen. Going to the bedroom. Come on guys, look at this beautiful bed. Look how fancy this bedroom. This is beyond. Voila. Nice king size bed. This one has even locking mechanism. You could do the door this way or that way. You have control on the door which you want it. Look, this bed I could do 2 ways. I could extend it, I could recline the bed if I want, as you see. So I recline, facing a smart TV, nice vanity, a lot of doors, massage pillows, and also you can make this bed flat. You have the washer dryer combo come with it, as you see here, and there's the lighting for the washer and dryer. It's a combo unit, it's a free unit, it's a big one, come with it. And again, if you don't want it, you could remove it. And then you have a nice closet here with lighting, shelves, and it has the Dyson bathroom. So this is the 331 RL, and as you see, it's so roomy. You could do a lot of things with this bedroom. Oh, and by the way, this has a 3 ACs. The light is on a dimmer. Show them. It's on dimmer. I could dim the light. There's a place for hanging. That's neat. There's even plug for a breathing machine in this corner and USB as well on the other side. Coming down here, you have all this fancy LED light. I wish I have them in my house. And then you come here. What do you need better than that? It is a pure modern. I mean, just easy to. Very nice room. A church area, place for hair dryer, place for your makeup, nice modern lighting fixtures, neat. A very big sink, so when you wash, there's no water all over. And by the way, solid service and porcelain sink, place for a trash can. You can put some linen there, towels, whatever you like. A lot of room. No issue with these. Very roomy. Again, this is for linen. Window in the bathroom. Voila. Fans. One-piece shower. And what I like about it, I like this lip. You can feed. Take a shower, wash, water not splash. Place for soap. 1, 2, 3, 4 shower head. Glass mirrors. What are you gonna ask more than that? Believe me, 5-star hotels doesn't have a shower like this. So this is the 331 Bighorn. You could see all these nice features, all these nice benefits. I don't know how to describe it to you. You need to come to Best RV and see it in your eyes and to validate my statement. This is the unit. If you're looking for high-end fifth wheel, 33 feet with a rear view and a kitchen middle island and a big bedroom and suite, this is the one. Come to Best RV and we assure you the lowest price and no hidden fees.